Hey, let me show you how you can set up your this sliding and hiding feature for your video elements. So, if you want to use it on a two column row, all you need to do is just add new column here, set it two columns. Then you need to change the column title, or you need to add the border for those two inner columns. So all you really need to do is just click on these columns and select those column and give those a full border. You can set the color here for this border properties, and then add full border for the other column. Now I'm just going to duplicate those video elements and these button elements. Or if you want to add a new video, just click here or just add a new video elements here, or make sure whenever you are adding a new video elements, rather than copying, you need to change the video element title to toggle video. So let me show you. Click on this get css info, click on video settings, then click on get css info and change the title to toggle video. Make sure you spell it properly, toggle video, then click on update and just copy this one. And same thing for the button. If you want, you can add new button or just clone it. And same thing for the button title should be toggle button. So here it is. I copied it, so you can see the title remains same, toggle button. So this is how my script is going to identify those video elements and button elements. So as we are using two column here, this margin bottom, we have used negative margin bottom here, so here it's a little bit different. So let's say you want to use this feature only for two columns, then you need to change the CSS a little bit here, going to custom CSS. From here you can see where it says data title toggle button, margin bottom, then minus 45 pixels. So if you want, you can uh, change the value to, let's say, 40 pixels, or let's say 30 pixels. So if you use 30 pixels, you can see here it changes, but if you change it here, uh, the main button margin will be different. So make sure if you use it on two column, just stick to two column, or if you use it on single column, make it single, use it for single column only. But if you want to mix it with both, you can change it with adding a new custom css here. Just go into custom css, and okay, let's just make it 45 pixel. So for those two buttons, let's say you can just copy the css id here, css id selector button, and just copy the id, and we're going to add css only for those buttons. So just click on custom css and paste your css id here, then double bracket, and just copy those margin bottom 45 pixel, paste it here. So now we're going to change it to 35, or let's say 30. So this will only affect for this two column button. So now for this one, just copy this css id, and we're going to add it using a comma separated value. So just after this one, add a comma, then paste it. So now you can see those looks good. Save your page And that's it. We can now see the change in preview mode. You can later on just add your headline or any other elements here. So yeah, you can see that newly added two column row. So if you click on this quick to view, everything looks fine. So this is how you're going to add any new row. I have added your new image that is black now. So that's it. Thank you.